Okay, so here's my final rendition. I don't think I'd be wanting to add anything else to this. I have the rubberized case for it. Covers all the way around. I like that. That I got. You can either get from pretty much everything you can get from either Banggood or AliExpress. Got the extended sticks. Love these. Better accuracy for yaw. Love that. Got that comes with the brackets. One of the brackets I got. You can hook this up for a lanyard if you want a lanyard. I usually don't fly with those, but it's there anyway. Go to the flip side for the antennas. Got this bracket here. Got a bigger bracket so that I can hold tablets and stuff like that. That hooks up to the middle of the stock antenna. Now I got the 5.8 gigahertz Yagi antennas. There was a bar here. Had to cut it because of this. It wouldn't be a snug fit. These pop off, no problems. Now this parabolic dish, it comes in a two-piece. So it comes with this bracket, and you fit the holes of the parabolic dish through that bracket. There's supposed to be another bracket that comes here, and it turns into a 3D printed bracket like this, but it only holds your phone. So I said, forget that. Make it a snug fit. I put tape here. It's like just put it on real tight, and parabolic dish does not move whatsoever. Doesn't rattle, nothing like that. So that's how that goes. That's it. So the rear parabolic dish will push forward all of the frequencies going back towards me, pushing it forward. Gives me a broader broadcast range, and like the radiation pattern. And the 5.8 will dish out just the 5.8 signals into a more narrower field, so this is more directional. Once again, I don't have these antennas for more range. It's more for a stronger connection to the quadcopter. I'm going to be testing this out and sticking it just on 5.8 gigahertz on auto, and see how she flies. But that's it. Got the spare sticks, the original sticks. Just leave them there in case I need them for whatever reason. But that's it.